you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start this video off by bleaching my lace 4x4 closure. This is a 20-inch closure, y'all. This is Allove hair, and I have two 26-inch bundles, a 28-inch bundle, and I just said I had a 20-inch closure. But I'm going in with my 20 Closure bleach powder and my number 20 Closure developer, and I'm just gonna mix that all together, and I'm just gonna spread that all across my closure on the knots to bleach the knots to make it look a little bit more natural. I think I left that on for about 25 minutes, and then I rinsed it out with my Aussie shampoo and I conditioned it, and yeah, that's all that I did to this closure. So I'm just going to put my closure in place by using my T-pins, and I have a wig cap already in place on my mannequin head. So yeah, I'm just putting this in place on where I want it. I'm just making sure all of my corners are flat so that my closure don't look bulky underneath, and it fits right on my head the way that it's supposed to. I'm going to start my sewing process. So you guys, this is the best way to make your wigs. I'm just say that right now. If you have curly hair, and well, I don't know how it goes with straight hair because I don't glue my straight hair. With curly hair, you know, you don't have to wash it as much as you do straight hair because you know, you don't use as many products as you do when you're using straight hair. You don't use the oil sheen and the spritz, and you know what I'm saying, you don't need all that extra stuff to maintain your curly hair. So I use this method for all of my curly hair wigs, and then I can still wash it, I can still use water, I can still apply my foaming mousse and everything. It do not damage the hot glue or anything like that, just to let y'all know in case y'all scared to see how it will hold up and you don't want to waste your time or whatever the case may be. But it literally only takes me 30 to 45 minutes to make this wig, and y'all, it saves me a whole lot of time, and especially when I'm backed up with hair reviews in my work. This is what I do to, you know what I'm saying, get things going faster. So I'm doing my sewing process. Yeah, I saw in a previous video that I did a full sewing wig, and I showed y'all my entire sewing process and how I sew my closures and everything. So I start with a really big knot, and I don't start at the edge of my closure. I start a little bit up my closure, and then I come down. I sew down to the edge, and then I sew back up to make sure, you know, there's a little extra security because I don't like a lot of knots in my wigs. So I do it that way. Plus I don't want a knot showing where my, you know, where my closure start. I'm just going all around, and I'm just making sure that my closure stay flat, and I'm removing my T-pins so that you know, they don't get in the way. So I went all the way down to the edge, and you can see me going up a little bit more. I think I went up like 2 stitches. I'm going to wrap the thread around the needle at least 3 or 4 times, and I'm going to pull it tight, and it makes a knot. But I'm going to make a couple more knots so that, you know, I know that it's super secure, and that my thread is not going to come undone, because y'all, I don't need that. So I make sure it's, you know, really secure. So I'm taking my wig cap off and I'm actually putting on a shower cap, you know, so that the hot glue don't get stuck to my mannequin head. I got this not too long ago. Even though I already put color on it, okay, it's still fairly brand new, okay, and I love it, okay. So as I stated before, I have two 26-inch bundles, a 28-inch bundle, and this is a deep wave hair, y'all. Usually I use water wave hair, but I decided to do something a little bit different. I like the way that the curls look, y'all. The hair is super soft, so I love this hair. I just measured the back of my hair to start my gluing process, and I have this hot glue gun. So that long glue stick that y'all see in the back hanging out, I usually use like 1.5 of those. It don't take a lot, but you can get like a pack of hot glue sticks from Walmart, that length and that size, for about $5, y'all. Like, I think I got it for like $4.99 or something like that. So it really, you know, it really don't take no much. It's really inexpensive, you know what I'm saying, and it saves you a whole lot of time doing it this way. So I just put the hot glue on the weft, and then I just stuck the weft onto the wig cap. And you guys, when I tell you this dries in like, it dries in maybe like 30 seconds. You don't have to use a blow dryer to make sure that it don't come undone like you have to do actual hair glue. It actually just stays in place as soon as you put it on there, which is a plus for me because, you know, I don't want to do all the extra work, okay? I'm a little lazy, but yeah, this is a really good method to use when, you know, you don't have a whole lot of time to make a wig and you just want some good quality things that don't take a lot of time, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna do that with every single weft. I did the first two for you guys in real time, but the rest of the video is going to be sped up. I think this video was like 45 minutes long, and yeah, nobody needs that. Nobody needs a 45-minute video of gluing hair. So I did speed this hair up for y'all to save y'all some time. You feel me? So you guys, this is how the wig turned out, and this is how I closed it off. I put a weft super close to the back of my lace closure, and you know, ain't no weft showing or anything like that, especially when I take my closure out this clip. Y'all, everything is really seamless. But you guys, I actually have a styling video coming on this hair, so stay tuned for that. And this is how the hair look, y'all. The curl pattern is super cute. I love it. Yeah, the links for this hair will be in the description box. Don't forget to check out their website to, you know, purchase some of this bomb hair. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace.